Today I want to talk to you guys about one of the easiest effects you could do when filming yourself using a tripod to add character, emotion, and visual interest in the frame. And it's happening right now. This is what you call keyframing. Let me go ahead and show you how to do it on Adobe Premiere Pro. So when it comes to filming yourself, you don't really have anyone to give you movement. You have it on a tripod, and you're wondering, how are you going to get that smooth, crispy movement? Just like this crispy sandwich right here. This is fire. Well, let's go to my office. I'll show you how. All right, so first order of business, open up Adobe Premiere Pro and then select your clips and throw it in on a sequence. You're gonna go ahead and open up Effects Controls, and then from there, you're gonna see in the drop-down item for Motion, Scale. Right there, it starts at 100 for me, but I'm gonna go ahead and find a spot in the clip where I want my effect to end. Now that I found my clip where I want it to be, I'm going to change the scale size to 105. For me, 105 is subtle, but depending on how far you add the keyframe in the effect determines how quick the zoom will be. Now, we just go back to the top of the clip and press play, and this is what it looks like. Today, I want to talk to you guys about one of the easiest effects, and that's about it. You can easily overdo this by doing it too fast, and it'll look a little bit too corny, but if that's how you want it to work, it works. But if you do it just right to the point where it's not too much, but it's slow and subtle, that, my friend, is what they say, cinematic. So peep out this little clip that I did with my boy Alvin, using the same location, just a different angle, with a few other match cuts, with the emphasis on the keyframing. Thanks for watching. Peace out.